Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to quickly show you how to use Cash App on Nintendo Switch. So if you're planning to use Cash App for your purchase, so what you have to do is simply you need to get a cash card from Cash App. So open up Cash App on your phone. So open up the app, and then what you have to do here is simply log into your Cash App account, and then you will see underneath you will see an option called get free cash card. So you need to get a free cash card. Cash card is simply just a debit card like a bank card. It's simply a debit card from Cash App. So click on it and then hit on get free cash card and then order a free cash card. So once you order a cash card, then you follow the procedures and they will send you a cash card to your residence. And then now what you can do, you can simply use this cash card as a debit card, and then go to your Nintendo Switch here, and then you can make any purchase and then check out with this debit card provided by Cash App. So as if it's as if it's like a bank card, so you can just use check out with the with that debit card. So that's pretty much it is. That's how you can use Cash App on Nintendo Switch. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.